school, before ever meeting you, I felt like I was being drawn to you. I always had someone telling me that I would get along with Chandler Harris. Clearly they were right. I promised to grow along with you, to be willing to face change in order to keep our relationship alive and exciting. I promise to be your partner and equal in all things. I promise to love you in good times and bad, completely and forever. I love you so much, Chandler, and want you to know that I cannot imagine doing life without you.
Wise men say only fools rush in.
When I first met you, I saw a glimpse of my future. Will not share it here as it is for me and you to one day witness. I find that my love for you is hard to put into words. You have been my friend and loyal companion for more years than I am even sure I deserve. The love we have put together already is more than I could ever have hoped for, and I am excited to see where we'll go.
Shall I stay? Would it be a sin if I can't help falling in love with you? Like a river flows surely to the sea, darling, so it goes. Some things are meant to be. So take my hand, take my whole life too, for I can't help falling in love with you, for I can't help.
In the spirit of this future, I promise to you to be yours forever and always, to hold you when you need me to be the one you rely on when all else fails, to protect and worship you. You are mine as I am yours. I am here for you in all ways you need. If I am unequal to the task, I will rise to that challenge.